In this video, I'm going to teach you how to install modifications in Peak. So do take note that this video is for educational purposes only and we don't promote anything that is harmful. So I have in here this help article from GamerRant. First thing you need to do that is to download and install the Thunderstorm mod manager and launch the application and find Peak. You can actually create an account for that. Now from in there, install the BepIn Xpack Peak, which can also be done using the actual app. After that, install the desired mods using the mod manager and then launch your modded version that will have on there as well. You can also install it manually by downloading the BepIn Xpack Peak and unpack it on the game directory. Now close the Peak, then after that, download the desired applications and place them in the plugins folder find inside it, and then after that is launch the game. Everything after that is needed. So it is worth noting that some of it only needs to be installed by the host, so read each of them carefully. Again, I should emphasize that this is for educational purposes only and we don't promote anything harmful. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.